These niggas cap need a poncho. 3G gang hit honcho. A savage like Web and Moncho. That press. Trap out the spot with the pressure. We hit that block with the pressure. Pockets is 20 or better.
I sure appreciate it.
What's your YouTube?
Alright, man, Gray's World 903, man. It's on my windows, it's on the back, man. I sure appreciate it.
Yeah, that's what
I sure appreciate it. Yeah.
I see you, bro.
Yes, sir. What you doing? Yeah. What you doing? Sights. That's how you make an entrance.
My guy, what's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it, brother? You good?
Yes, sir.
My guy, what's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it?
Hey, bro. I was walking with him. Y'all love the show. All right.
These motherfuckers, I ain't bullshit. Come here. Come here. Man, they going by 120. They all going by 120. I said, man, them boys going 140 plus, man. I'm in the Hellcat and I'm in the back. I like, man, I'm trying not to scratch my wheels and all that good stuff, man. And to be honest, I don't even know where we're going, man. My boy Hemi like text me, told me like we meeting up right here, so pull up. I pulled up, man. Like I say, it's all love with him, man. He really turned my big bro, man. Real talk. But yeah, man, man, y'all check these cars out. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? No, we just chilling, man. Y'all be watching YouTube?
Yeah.
Hey, man, you want to subscribe to y'all channels? You got your cell phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see your cell phone, brother. Both of y'all's. Yes, sir. Let me show you. There you go. Boom. I sure appreciate it. I sure appreciate it.
Yeah.
I don't know where your YouTube is on the phone at, man. Yeah, that's me right there, bro. Yes, sir. Hold on. Let me see your order. Let me go ahead and get it for you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. Them boys, they showing love, y'all. They showing love. How you? There we go. That's me.
That's me.
There we go. Boom. There we go.
Thank you, bro.
Hey, man. I sure appreciate it. Hey, man. Y'all gonna see yourself on here. All right. Yeah, man. You see that? Love be real, man. Love be real, man. For real. Yes, sir. Big dog. Big dog.
If you don't know now, you know what I'm saying? King Molly himself, you feel me?
Yes, sir.
Like, comment, subscribe, comment, like, subscribe, comment, like, comment, subscribe. Yes, sir.
My God, just hit 10K on YouTube, bro.
If he's always 25, you can get your see like
Shiny? Oh, okay. That's what I was like, what's on the right? I'll bring yours next to it. I'll bring yours. The cat on there.
hey, you saw the video? All lives matter. Now you gonna talk to me? Money so square, fool. Where you going? Pee Wee Herman, man.
Man, I ran all the way to the store to get some batteries for my light and dropped my light, brother.
It just not meant to be, huh?
Nah.
Man left the battery at the house. When he got one, now he broke the light.
Hey, we coming to Motor?
Need some light.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Like that. Or
Yes, sir, that's perfect. Hey, man, y'all check him out,
you gotta
man.
get the interior. Talking about getting interior, y'all look plain to me.
Hey, man, here's this. Yeah, hey, make sure y'all follow them on Instagram, man. Here you go, brother.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Yep. Hey, we got 12 over there, man. Man, look at the lights, though, man. Look at the lights on these cars. Like some rainbow shit.
With it, man. Come on, bro.
Keep going, bro. Where we going?
Drive this thing together.
Man, you got to hear me, man. Hey, man, let me apologize to y'all right now, man. So I had my light for my camera to go on top of my camera, right? But I didn't have no batteries. So I ran to that store across the street to get batteries, right? But soon as I went over there, bruh, I dropped my light and broke my light, man. So it's not gonna be the best lighting on this video, man, but I'm gonna go buy another one in the morning at Best Buy. He got that whole lit up, man. She recording something.
She recording.
Yes, sir. What she recording?